Hello, this is Dan Marr from Hamlin Carrigan. I've been practicing here at Hamlin Carrigan for 35 years. Clerked for the Superior Court for a year before that, and I've had a lot of experience dealing with real estate disputes as well as a variety of other transactional and litigation matters. I'm today going to, or this vlog, I'm going to talk about the simple question of, can you force a seller to sell the home to you when they renege? You're in a situation where you find your dream home, and certainly in 2023 when I'm doing this vlog, it's a very low inventory that's out there, even with the interest rates that have gone up. But you find the home that you really want, and the seller decides for one reason or another after signing the purchase sale agreement that they are going to breach it, and they say, well, you can come after us for damages, but we're not selling you the house. Maybe it's because they decided to, they had a job offer in California that fell through, or they were going to be breaking up and they got back together and they wanted to live in the home. Whatever it may be, any other circumstances, they might have some compelling reasons, but they now no longer want to deal with the sale of the home, and you want the home because that's where you expected to buy, and that's, you invested a lot of time and money into it, and you love that property. You can do what's called specific performance. In New Hampshire, and well, I think all the states in the United States, there is this equitable theory of you can sue for specific performance and monetary damages. So what you're doing is you're saying, I signed a purchase and sale agreement as the buyer. I'm ready, willing, and able to close. The inspections are fine. I don't have any issues there. If I didn't waive inspections, the financing, if I have financing, it's all lined up. I'm ready, willing, and able to buy, and the seller has to sell in accordance with the purchase and sale agreement that we signed. If you can prove that in court, you can force them to sell the property, because real estate is considered unique, and under this specific performance statute or law, it's if somebody has a unique remedy, they can enforce it. The seller on the other side can't ask for specific performance from the buyer to force them to buy, because what are they getting? They're getting cash. They're getting money out of the deal, and that's not unique. That's a money damage issue, and they can proceed forward with a claim under the purchase sale agreement. Either they'll be able to elect usually for the deposit, is what the purchase sale agreement standard says, or they can go for damages, and often they'll just go for the deposit, and then they'll resell it to somebody else. But in this situation where you want to force them, you can say, you can go in for specific performance, you can get proper recording in the registry of deeds to show to the rest of the world that you have a specific performance action going on with this property, and you're planning on enforcing this. That will prevent somebody else from buying the property out from under you if they're trying to get a better price. The seller's trying to get a better price. If you have this legitimate argument that's there, and you got to make sure it's legitimate, you can't go and make up something just to cloud the title of the person. You get in trouble for that. It's called slander of title. But go forward with that action, talk to a lawyer, and you go for that. And also you say, well, it's going to take months before I get moved into that property if I have damages there because I can't sell my other home, or I have higher rentals, or whatever it may be for these expenses that you're dealing with. You can ask for damages in addition to the specific performance. But there is, under New Hampshire law, the remedy of specific performance for the buyer of real estate. And as long as you can show that you signed a contract and you're ready, willing, and able to buy, and you should find an attorney, and I've done plenty of these cases, to assist you in regards to that, because if it's worth that to you, it's worth the fight. So you can contact me at Dan Marr at 603-883-5501, 603-883-5501, or check out our website at hamker.com. That's hamker.com. Look forward to talking to you.